Bukas po, February 25, 2025, ang EDSA People Power Anniversary po. At minarapat po na aking basahin ang liham pastoral ng mahal na Arsobispo, Most Reverend Socrates B. Villegas, lalo na po sa ating mananampalatayang Katoliko, partikular na mga Catholic students, patungkol sa kahalagahan ng ating pagdiriwang po bukas ng EDSA People Power Anniversary. Your father's sock here in the Archdiocese of Lingen, Dagupan was the first rector of the EDSA Shrine, built in 1989. To thank God for the historic People Power Revolution in 1986. The church was built under the patronage of Mary, Queen of Peace. EDSA People Power is about the Catholic faith, seeking justice for victims of human rights abuses. It was a Catholic faith proclaiming veritas, which in English means truth. Because dissent was being suppressed and the truth was being hidden. It was a Catholic faith fighting corruption in government and challenging those in authority who were using taxes to enrich themselves. Under the government of President Ferdinand Marcos, there was a curtain of peace and progress, but behind these scenes were human abuses, suppression of dissent, and massive corruption. Not my words. Try Google search and you will read this. He is widely regarded as the most controversial figure in Filipino history. Marcos's regime was infamous for corruption, extravagance, and brutality. Again, try Google search and you will read this. The Marcos family stole $5 billion to $10 billion from the Central Bank of the Philippines. The Marcos family enjoyed a decadent lifestyle, taking billions of dollars from the Philippines between 1965 and 1986. Ferdinand and Imelda Marcos held the Guinness World Record for the largest ever theft from government for decades. In February 1986, we, your grandparents, stood for 4 days at EDSA in Quezon City between Camp Aguinaldo and Camp Crame. We prayed the rosary, gave food to the soldiers who were dispatched to disperse us. We sang Bayan Ko and slept on the street. On February 25, 1986, the dictator and thief Ferdinand Marcos fled to Hawaii in exile. We ousted the dictator without violence and bloodshed. The whole world admired us Filipinos then. It was a moment of glory. The Filipino greatness was hailed by the world. It was faith seeking justice. It was faith making peace. What can I teach you now as we celebrate as a people power? Number 1, no matter what they say and how you feel, know that there is a greatness in your heart. The soul of our Filipino nation is great and noble and heroic. 2, the years of Marcos from 1965 to 1986 were not paradise years for the Philippines. They were years of massive corruption and stealing, suppression of opposition, and torture of those who are vocal against the regime. Resist those who want to change that historical chapter and want to mislead you and deceive you. Number 3. The EDSA People Power was not about a political group ousting another political group. It was rather the Catholic faith of peace and love, bringing a social revolution without bloodshed. Number 4. EDSA People Power was the response of our people against the massive election cheating of Ferdinand Marcos in the elections of 1986. It was not, tama na, kami naman. It was rather, sobra na, tama na, palitan na. We did it peacefully. Be proud of this. The world admired us. What should you do, my dear students? 4 things. Number 1, believe in the power of God to change for the better. A world at prayer is a world at peace. Number 2, be involved and be engaged in matters that affect the nation and the world. For us Christians, it is a sin to live only for yourself. Be men and women for others. Number 3, do not tolerate wrongdoing. Resist what is wrong. Choose right even if no one is watching. That is integrity. Number 4, do not believe those who say that church should keep quiet about political matters. Politics without God, politicians disregarding 10 commandments, politicians stealing our government funds, politicians exempting themselves from the law. They are evil. We must remove that kind of politics from the nation. Father Sok loves you. I will not lie to you. I will not mislead you. I was there. I saw the corruption and torture and killing and illegal arrests. That is what really happened. EDSA People Power was the answer of our God, loving people to evil men and evil deeds. We must celebrate. This day is the holiday of nameless millions of Filipinos, especially the Filipino heroes of 1986. Do not forget. Mabuhay ang EDSA People Power. Most Reverend Socrates B. Villegas, Archbishop of Lingayen, Dagupan.